are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Quick one traders, today I am going to walk you guys through how you can trade or how you can be trading volatility 75 successfully without any serious drawback. All right, so be it volatility 75 and other volatility pairs, guys, I am going to walk you through how you can be trading them without any serious drawback. All right, so if you are familiar with volatility 75, you will understand that volatility 75 moves very fast and you can get your account blown in a twinkle of an eye. So if you do not know anything, or if you do not know how to go about it, or if you do not know how to analyze volatility 75 and you embarked on trading it, you will blow your account with a twinkle of an eye. So that is why I just decided to do this video, because I received series of messages, not today but regularly. I do receive that messages from my subscribers and also my viewers from my channel here, telling me or showing me the screenshot of how they got their account blown. Guys, this does not make any single sense. If you should be blowing your account after watching some of my videos, it means you are lacking something, because one, I detail my video very well, and secondly, if you are blowing your account, it means you are greedy, because probably you are making some money after opening the position, and you don't want to close the trade because you want to run or to write the trade as a professional, whereas you know within yourself that true, I do not know what I'm doing, I'm just following instruction. So you do not have to be greedy when trading forex. And secondly, guys, most of you do not want to pay somebody that is a professional in that field to teach you how to do that. All right, so if you do not want to pay somebody that is a professional in that aspect, in that field that you are lacking, there is no way you are going to make money from that place. Because one, for me to get where I am today, I paid a lot of people before I'll be able to stand my ground here today. All right, so that I'm making money today, all the money that I've been making, all the money that I'm making today, I am not giving that money back to my mentors. All right, I do not have only one mentor, I have mentors. So if I am telling you guys that you need to enroll for a mentorship program, I have segments, like I have different types of mentorship program that you can enroll yourself on, and at the end of the day, you will never regret doing that. And how much are you paying for this? It's just a token, it's just a pin. All right, it's just a pin. It's just a peanut. There is no way you will compare how much you are paying for a mentorship to how much you guys are funding your account and blow the account with a twinkle of an eye. It doesn't make sense, guys. So that is what I'm saying here, guys. I am going to show you how you can be doing this successfully. All right, so if you are familiar with gold, as I said earlier on, you will understand that volatility 75 moves very fast as gold. All right, so for you to know how to do this, you need to follow who knows how to trade that same pair. That is the only way you can succeed trading that same pair. All right, so now one tips that I want to share with you guys here, because if you really need to know how to be trading volatility 75 successfully without any issue, all right, or without you getting your account blow, you need to enroll for mentorship program. I can't be teaching you or giving you guys all these tools, all this information free, and for you to learn it, to take your time and break it down. You don't know how to do that. So for you, paying for mentorship is just that you are paying for the time that I'm supposed to be resting, that I will be using to lecture you more, put you through, give you more tools that you are going to use in making money for yourself. And mind you, guys, when you start making this money, you are not going to be sending the money to me. You are using the money for you and your family. All right, so that is it, guys. So the tips that I'm going to give you here on this particular video now is this. If you understand how this volatility moves, you will make money. All right, whether you enroll yourself on a mentorship program or not, you are going to make money. And the tips is this: if you look at this chart as you are looking at it right now, just know that whenever volatility, all right, the way it is designed, or the way it was designed, is this: whenever volatility starts going down, guys, it takes some time before it will change that direction. So even if you are seeing like, let's just take for instance, here is coming down, right? That is selling here. Now, when I said it takes some time before it will reverse to the another, or reverse to the opposite direction, that is, hence is selling here before it will start buying. All right, it takes some time, and that time that is going to take, the only thing that you need is your brain and wisdom. Now, there must be a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high on that downtrend. So it's just less for you to capitalize on where the lower high will be here. This is lower high here, and for there you can take a small pips from that place. That is scalping. You scalp a small pip from that place to another lower low. All right, when he wants to go to lower high, you exit the market and wait for another lower low, lower high. From the lower high there, you take another trade to lower low. That is how to, it's as simple as that, guys. You use your initiative for some of the analysis and trade that you do. You can see this. Look at where the whole trend started again here. You can see what has been going on here. Look at it here. When it gets to this place, it dropped down to this place. It moves again, it dropped down to this place. All right, it moves again, it dropped down, guys. It's as simple as that. I am analyzing this to you guys without indicators, so that you will understand that as I am now, you can wake me up at any time of the day or any time of the night. I will give you what the market is going to play, because this is what I do every single day. This is what I do every single hour and every single time. All right, so I know how all these things works. So I know where to place my trade. I know where to exit from my trade. I know what the market is going to do the next hour or next 2 hours or so. Every single day, when I come to this chart that you are seeing here, when I arrive at this particular chart, as in my computer or my phone, the first thing or the first time frame that I do start my analysis from is that particular day, that 1 day time frame. That is where I start my analysis from. So whatever the overall of this 1 day gives me, that is where I will be trading, or where all my trade will be heading towards. All right, if one full day is showing me bullish, all my trade that very day, I will be working towards buy, buy, buy. All right, so no matter how I spot a downtrend, that is sell signal, on that very day, I will not pay, an attention to it, because I know what the overall trend is telling me. The overall trend is telling me buy for the day. So if I have to sell, I have to say, just for a very small pips, I will scalp a very little pips and amount of the market, because I know where that market will be going in the next 2 or 1 hour. All right, so that is one thing that you guys do not want to calm down and learn. If you calm down and learn all these things, we stop blowing your account. Because why I'm doing this video is that it is very painful, and is paining me as I'm seeing all those screenshots. And most of you guys, though most of you are not my subscribers anyway, but it's very, very annoying seeing someone that started trading, as in you came into the market in the sense that you want to be making money for you and your family, and instead of you to be making the money that you came here for, you are giving the market the money back. It doesn't make sense, guys. So what I am suggesting and what I am advising every one of you, if you know that you do not know what you are doing, you are only following the indicators and the videos that you are watching on probably my channel or any other person's channel, guys, do yourself that favor. There is no way you will enroll yourself in a mentorship program that you will come out and remain the same with small thing that you are going to learn from that mentorship program, be it mine or any other person. Guys, when you apply that with what you are with the videos that you have been watching and what you have been learning, guys, there is no way you will remain the same. You will definitely learn something different, and you will definitely learn some new tactics that you are going to going uh with going with and be trading professionally. That is it, guys. So I don't want this video to be long. It's just that the whole thing is just paining me that most of you are giving the market back the money instead of making the money. So that is it, guys. If you really want to learn more and to know how to analyze the charts every single day, guys, I have a premium packages that you can do that will help you. I am not charging you much. It's just a token, a pin. All right, that pin is just to show your seriousness. How much are you paying me? All right, how much are you paying me? I'm making enough money for myself. All right, so that is it, guys. Just to show the seriousness, to show the seriousness of what you really want to embark on. That is why I am charging that, so that nobody will come here and be wasting my time. So that is just it, guys. That is just it. I want you guys to make money. That is why every now and then I do tell you guys what is working and what is not working. I will not lie to you guys, except you change your mentality, change the way you look at the market, change your approach to the market. You will not make money from the market, guys. You will not make money from the market, no matter who or no matter the kind of strategy that you are using. If you like, use the number one strategy in the whole worldwide. You will not make a dime because you cannot abide and you know you cannot abide with or abide on the rules and regulation that guides that same strategy. So that is it, guys. That is it. So if you want to know more or if you find this video helpful, guys, do not hesitate to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notifications so that whenever I upload content like this, guys, you will be among the first that will be notified that I have uploaded content like this, guys. So that is it, guys. And as I said earlier on, if you find this video helpful, guys, you know what to do. Smash that like button, guys, and also share this video with your friends and family that are struggling to make money from this market. So that is it, guys. Signing out, and love you guys. Signing out. Peace.